Hello dear viewers, so how are you? In this video we are going to learn function overloading in Java. Okay, so let's get started. So in function overloading what we do, actually we create different method with having same name but different parameter, meaning that they can have a different number of parameter or different type of parameter, okay, but with same name. So it helps for code reusability. It helps us for code readability. It improves code readability. It can have a less it will have less complicated software design. Okay, so it is better to use method overloading whenever required. Okay, so let's understand this with our code example. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to create to understand, we will create another class. Let's say not public, okay, class function overloading class. Okay, function overloading. Okay, function overload. Okay, so in that we will create two method. Okay, so two whether I can create static method or or instance method. Let's create an instance method. Okay, so we are going to create in return type integer and sum, and it can have two parameter. It will have two parameter, integer x and integer y. Okay, and it will return x plus, it will simply return this. Okay, all right, and after that it will have another method that we with same name, but and now we will have three parameter. Okay, integer x, integer y, and as well as integer type z. Okay, so now it will just it will add these three input parameter. Okay, so x plus y plus z. Okay, so now we will call these two method from tutorial class. Okay, so how we are going to do, so let me tell you. If to access instance method, we have to create an object of this function overload class. Okay, so if this method will have, if this method is static, then we don't need to create an object, but we can call it by class name dot method name. But this is an instance method. Okay, so we will only call, we can only call it by creating an instance or object of this function overload class. Okay, so how we going to create this object? Okay, so let's type the name of this class. Okay, so function overload. Okay, and name any object name. Let's say okay, o will be capital. Okay, o capital, and function overload. Okay, and new operator. Okay, so for to create any object, we will use new keyword. Okay, so new and constructor, call constructor. Okay, so function overload, we are calling the default constructor. Okay, so yeah, now we have created a function overload object. So we will call this method sum and will pass two parameter 5 comma 3. Okay, and okay, s will be capital. All right, let's make it small because method name will have a small because we have to follow the standard practice. Okay, so method name starts with a small letter. Okay, so yeah, next just copy this code, line of code, and repeat, and we are just only adding the third parameter. Okay, right, so just print this system.out.println .out.println. okay, so this is calling method with argument 2. okay, right, okay, so now we will copy this first line and we'll add the third parameter. We'll save it, Control S and press Control F11. so now you can see in console. So okay, just give equal to symbol and again press Control F11, Control F11. okay, so you can see here the result as follows. So first is calling by function overload.sum 5 and 3 parameter, first 5 and 3 parameter we are sending, so we are calling this method. okay, so 5 plus 3 8, and the second method 5 3 and 9. okay, so 5 3 8 9 8 it's a 17 value. So now as you can see here, so this is working. okay, so we can have a method with same name but different parameters. so this thing is called function overloading in Java. okay, so so if you have any doubt or query regarding this video or any topic, if you want, so just comment the topic name, or if you have any doubt, just comment. Okay, so I will reply immediately as soon as possible. okay, right, as well as if you want to know how to configure Eclipse. okay, so how we in this as you can see, I'm using Eclipse ID. okay, so if you want to know about how to set up Eclipse ID, so I have already created video telling how to download IDE and how to set up for IDE for Java project. okay, so step by step all the processes are already mentioned in my video. okay, so that is already created, so you can go to that video and learn how to get started in Java using Eclipse. okay, so it is a good practice to start coding your thing in Java. okay, so in Java using Eclipse, right? So that is all for today. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like to my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. Bye.